Hey guys, this is Yusuf with That Tech Though, and I have an unboxing of the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. So let's not delay this any more further. So I've got the lilac purple and the coral blue. Now, one thing interesting to note is that the S9 Plus has the dual camera and the S9 doesn't, and the bigger version also has more RAM. So this one has 6 gigabytes and the smaller S9 has 4 gigabytes. A little disappointing because it's been a while and we've been on 4 gigs for quite a while now, especially with the Galaxy line. So let's quickly get the lilac purple. Here it is. I'm gonna take the back off. And here's your lilac purple. It's quite shiny. I'm not really a big fan of this one. I actually prefer the last year's Galaxy S8, which had a more bluish hue to it. So in the hand, it feels exactly like the Galaxy S8, which is very nice, very comfortable, and an excellent build. Feels very solid. So I'm going to quickly put this on the side for now and get the big guy here, the S9 Plus. And here it is. I haven't held this guy, or the S8 Plus, in a long time, and it just feels so amazing that they managed to cram in a 6.2-inch display in a body size like this. This is the coral blue. And obviously the new thing about the Samsung Galaxy S9 is that they have a new camera. So it's a dual aperture camera, meaning that this will switch between 2.4 and 1.5. 1.5 being the widest aperture on any smartphone, so this is really fantastic. How well does it work in day-to-day use? We'll find out very soon. So this is it. This is pretty much it for the colors. And see what else do we get in the rest of the box. So you get the Samsung fast charger, USB A to C adapter. You get a micro USB to USB-C adapter, the charging cable, AKG earbuds, and extra earbud tips. Okay, so let's get them back into the center. And I've got to tell you right now, these guys are fingerprint magnets. Crazy fingerprint they pick up. So put on slick wrap skins or debrand skins. They're the easiest way to remedy this problem if you don't like a case. Or you can just put on a case on. Anyways, let's look at the colors a bit more closer. And I'll be honest with you, I prefer the black or the coral blue instead of this one. And I think it just looks a bit too pink. I mean, I know it's purple, but I just feel like it's not the same one that they had on the Galaxy S8, which I think looked better. So let's quickly power one of them on. I'm going to put the S9 on because it's more comfortable to hold. Now, as that boots up, let's take a quick look around the device. So we've got USB Type-C, you got your speaker here, you got a headphone jack, obviously, Bixby button, which I don't think I'll be using again. The fingerprint scanner correctly placed. You got your dual aperture camera, so 1.5 and 2.4. It's going to be interesting how this works. You got the power button here, your SIM card tray, which double up as an micro SD card, which is good. Your iris scanner, your 8 megapixel front camera, which I don't think has changed from the Galaxy S8. Now, obviously on the S9 Plus, you got the telephoto lens and obviously the same primary camera as the S9. So both of them got the same primary camera, but the only difference is that this one has the telephoto lens. That means this one will do the live focus. Skip all of this stuff. So you got something called Setup Intelligent Scan. Now this is going to be using your face recognition and the iris scanner. So if I quickly say yes to this, let's do a quick backup on here. A smarter way to verify. Intelligent Scan combines face and iris scanner to improve accuracy and security. So I'm guessing the iris scanner will be working better in night and the facial recognition will be working better in day. So that was it. That was my face scanned. Now it's going to ask for the iris. So I've got the intelligent scan ready. Agree. Skip all of this Samsung account. I'm not going to be using most of the services. I think Bixby, I may try it again to see if it's improved anymore. And now the phone is ready to use. Here it is. Now this is running Android Oreo out of the box, so we should be getting Project Treble support. Now I want to try out AR Emoji because I want to see if my beard works. I think a lot of people are probably thinking, does the beard work? We'll go to AR Emoji, create my emoji. Take a selfie. Here we go. Let's see. I mean, if it gets the beard, it gets a thumbs up from me. And it did not get the beard. Quite disappointing. I think AI emoji just kind of lost itself. The fact that it doesn't have a beard really just disheartening. So let's choose AI emoji right now. Now this is going to be very difficult to show you guys on the screen. So if I select my emoji, what I can do is probably record from my Google Pixel. So this is AI emoji, and honestly it looks strange. My mouth is not opening. If I say okay, sort of does, but it's just twitching. Eyebrows, I'm still talking but my lips are not moving. Hello. Anyways guys, so this is a quick hands-on or quick unboxing of the Galaxy S9 and the create my emoji, which unfortunately sucks because it doesn't have a beard. Anyways, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.